Hello everyone, welcome back to the Graphics Fairy YouTube channel. I'm Lynn from Mockingbird in Maine, and I have my May Design Team Junk Journal project to show you. This is an Italy, Tuscany, wine-themed traveler's notebook style journal with 3 signatures, and I used images from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site to create it. The bundle that initially inspired me was this one, A Taste of Tuscany, and I like to print out the sheet that comes with the bundle of the individual images that you get. And I use this to choose my fabrics, to choose other images from other bundles, and also authentic ephemera that I want to put in, and it just helps me with color scheme and just the aesthetic of what I'm going for. So that is what started it all with this one. Lots of sari silk ruffles, and this sari silk closure is sewn right to the cover. Little book plate here, and I'll show you this stuff after. But going inside, the cover is a little bit flexible. It's 2 layers of fabric and then 2 layers of cardstock. And inside the front and back cover is this is one of my favorite fabrics I have in my stash. This is from the cover linen tablecloth. It was a little round tablecloth, and I created pockets in the front and back. A couple of pieces of authentic ephemera. This is a postcard from Italy and a little bird card. Beautiful ruffle. This is a collaged paper from the winery bundle, and all of the information on the bundles that I used is on the blog post on thegraphicsfairy.com. But as going through, if I can remember which bundle it is, I will mention it. I just included a few of these in here. It's a nice thin little note paper. Oh, I didn't mention this lady here is from the winery bundle, and I just backed her with, it's actually this paper. I love this. It's from one of the older bundles, the ephemera collection. And one of my favorite things in the journal are these journaling cards from the Berries and Cherries bundle. They're absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I printed out the sheet to show you. And in the bundle, they came with little corner pockets, so I just coordinated that and added it to a 3x5 card. So extra journaling on the back of the card here, or you could just glue it to a page or double stick tape to a page for another pocket. And here is it's ATC cards. They normally are 2.5x3. I did make these a little bit larger, but look how gorgeous. So pretty. So I've included those throughout the journal. Here is one of the Traveler's Notebook size pages from the Taste of Tuscany bundle. And a pocket here. This is another little journaling card I backed with some lined paper from the Botanical Fruit bundle. And I wanted to include fruits and botanicals and things, flavors you might find in different wines. So that's why and the colors went really well, because I love the muted colors of a lot of the papers and pages, but I also wanted nice pops of rich colors and bright colors. That being said, I used a lot of the images from the Heritage Wallpaper bundle, a lot of them, because I just think the rich colors and even the lighter colors just really worked really well with this theme. So that is one of them, and I cut along the edge following a little bit of the leaves and flowers. And this is a piece of handmade paper, gold there. I also printed onto parchment paper just some of the pretty images from the various bundles that I used. There's some drawing paper in the journal as well. Here's a vintage music page with an image from an Italian textbook. Another right onto the parchment. This is also from that Italian language book. And I love the cypress trees. I'm a big fan of Under the Tuscan Sun movie, so if you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about with the creepy Italian trees. In the center of the signature here, little paper clip with a glass bead. This is another of the wallpapers, and another of the Botanical Fruit journaling cards. There are a lot of pages, but it does lay fairly flat. There is a lot of give to the soft cover. A map of Italy, printed onto tea-dyed paper. Olives, I believe. This is from the Bohemian Ephemera collection, and I just thought with the color scheme it went really well. And just another of the little note papers in there, and this is another of the wallpapers, as is this, turned into a journaling card with some sari silk. Love these worn. This is the other part of that wallpaper pocket, but it is small, and this is just a little flash card, which I will tuck in after I'm done. Another of the beautiful pages, the collage page. This is one of the wallpapers with another ruffle there, and I printed it onto the back just larger, and I reduced the opacity of that wallpaper. This is a photograph, and I just thought they looked like they would own a winery, a vineyard, back in the day. Piano paper and tea-dyed paper and artichoke. This is a couple of the smaller images here and here. I put them together and enlarged them to create pages. I love this one, a flower and some sari silk there. These frames, you could slide a photo in, but I just use them to frame the image behind. A couple of the wallpapers again. This is a belly band and then another wider belly band behind. This is a smaller image from the winery bundle that I enlarged to create a page. Printed some ivory paper onto the back. Here is another of the winery bundle collage pages or papers, and I bordered it with that wallpaper image again. Grapes. Here's a little tuck here with another journaling card, another ruffle, and the other frame. So pretty. Love this. Another sunflower. Another of the collaged papers. Here's a tag with some of the same fabric from the inside. And these are also images here and here that I just enlarged and created pages with. Another one of this is one of my favorites, of the wallpaper images as a tuck and a vintage paper doily there. Some music paper, another pocket with a tag. This is parchment paper with a pretty border around. And a little Tuscan wild pig. This is one of the wallpapers. I thought it went really well with this doily piece, and it's underneath a hidden tuck spot. Another of the wallpapers. Some more olives. Another of the journaling cards, and this is a flip out. And here's another map of Italy, printed onto tea-dyed paper. Little lace flip up here, and in this pocket is another of the index cards with the pocket and journaling card. And another pocket here with a little paper clip, oops, with some sari silk. So pretty. Love this one. I think the ruffle goes so nicely. In this tuck is another journaling card with cherries, and then another of the 3x5 floating pockets. And this goes perfectly with this. And in the back here, I just included the rest of those pockets and cards. So pretty. So that is the journal. And then along with it, I didn't want to overwhelm the journal, but I tucked inside this vellum envelope a bunch of recipe cards. So if you don't collect recipes, you could of course use these to journal on, or collage on the front, journal on the back. And these are from the Berries and Cherries bundle, and these are from the Taste for Tuscany bundle. Because, you know, Italy and food, so I thought I've been doing these lately with journals. Little sampler of, there's doilies, another piece of the fabric, and some of the sari silks that I use. And then a couple of bulb pins with glass beads and charms. And so that is it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care.